duck stir fry. This is fast and furious and fun. Let's do it. First, I've got a capsicum, 1 onion, then I've got some ginger and some garlic. I'm using fresh duck breasts. Look at these beauties. High in protein, nice and lean, but you could also easily substitute the Peking duck breast in this because these are already cooked. Okay, for the sauce for our stir fry, we've got some sweet chili sauce and some honey, some sweet soy or ketchup mayonnaise. Okay, let's stir fry. I'm gonna add a spoonful of duck fat and some sesame oil. Duck goes in. Now we're just gonna stir fry this for a couple of minutes. Now we can go in with our garlic and ginger and our onion wedges and the capsicum. Stir fry your veggies for a couple of minutes just until they just start to soften. In goes our sauce. These are just some hoi kin noodles that I've just blanched in boiling water for a couple of minutes, then refresh them in cold water. Let's see my tossing skills. Whoa, whoa. To thicken up our sauce, I've just got a little bit of water in this ramekin, and I just want to add a tablespoon of corn flour. So that can go in. Who needs takeaway when you can create this at home? Final flourish of some sesame seeds on top. A quick duck stir fry in no time at all. It's ducking quick.